In the world of gaming, the right gear can make or break your experience. Enter the Lenovo Legion Y700, a gaming tablet that is now going global. Initially launched in China last year, this tech powerhouse is breaking borders and making its grand entrance into the global market. More specifically, the Legion Y700 will soon be available in EMEA and Asia, with more select markets to be added to the list. This global variant remains unchanged in its specs, maintaining its original prowess and performance. Built around a 144Hz, 8.8-inch IPS LCD panel, this tablet boasts a generous resolution of 1600 x 2560 pixels, supporting Dolby Vision and HDR10. Running on the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, it offers a choice between 12 GB with 256 GB of storage or 16 GB with 512 GB. With the Legion Y700, Lenovo is bringing top-tier gaming to the palm of your hand, no matter where in the world you are. The Lenovo Legion Y700 is not just any gaming tablet, it's packed with features that make it a formidable contender in the gaming world. Diving straight into the heart of this beast, we find the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 running the show. This power-packed processor is paired with two memory options. You can either opt for a 12 GB with 256 GB storage variant, or go all out with a 16 GB and 512 GB variant. And if that's not enough, you can always expand the storage with a micro SD card slot. Now let's talk about the display. The Legion Y700 flaunts a 144Hz 8.8-inch IPS LCD panel. With a generous resolution of 1600 x 2560 pixels, this tablet promises to deliver crisp, clear visuals, making your gaming experience nothing less than immersive. But that's not all. The tablet also supports Dolby Vision and HDR10. While HDR content may not look as stunning as on an OLED display, it's still a great addition that enhances your visual experience. Moving to the camera department, the Legion Y700 is equipped with a 13-megapixel main camera and a 2-megapixel macro unit at the back. For all you selfie enthusiasts and video callers, there's an 8-megapixel front-facing shooter. Let's not forget the battery. The Legion Y700 packs a 6550 mAh battery that keeps you going for hours. And when it's time to juice up, it supports 45W wired charging. One feature that sets the Legion Y700 apart is the Legion Cold Front passive cooling solution. It comes with a dedicated vapor chamber that promises long gaming sessions without overheating. Depending on your use case, you can choose from various performance modes. The Legion Y700 is built for the long haul. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, it's not just a tablet, it's a gaming powerhouse ready to take your experience to the next level. But how does the Lenovo Legion Y700 stack up against its predecessors and other gaming tablets in the market? When we take a look back, the Legion Y700 is a significant upgrade from its previous versions. It's not just about a bigger and brighter screen, but the leap to the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor makes all the difference. It's like going from a bicycle to a sports car, offering faster load times, smoother gameplay, and an overall superior performance. The Legion Y700 also outshines its predecessors with its dual USB-C ports, a feature that's still a rarity among gaming tablets. One of these ports even supports the DisplayPort 1.4 standard, allowing gamers to connect an external display and enjoy an immersive gaming experience on a larger screen. It's like having a portable gaming console with you wherever you go. But let's not just compare it to its family. When we put the Legion Y700 against other gaming tablets in the market, it still holds its ground. For instance, most tablets in this category usually offer a 60Hz or 120Hz refresh rate, but the Legion Y700 steps it up with a 144Hz refresh rate, providing a smoother visual experience that's critical in fast-paced games. Moreover, the Legion Y700's battery life is a standout feature. With a 6550 mAh battery, it's built for long gaming sessions. And when you do need to recharge, the 45W wired charging ensures you're back in the game in no time. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. While the Legion Y700 supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision, the absence of an OLED display means HDR content may not look as impressive as on some competing models. But then again, it's a compromise that might not be a deal breaker for many, considering its competitive pricing. All in all, the Legion Y700 has made some impressive strides, not just within its own lineage, but also in the broader gaming tablet market. It's clear that Lenovo has taken note of what gamers want and need, and has gone above and beyond to deliver. When it comes to the gaming tablet landscape, the Legion Y700 is a game-changer in more ways than one. Now let's delve into what it's like to actually use the Lenovo Legion Y700. Imagine being fully immersed in your favorite game, the action unfolding on a bright, large screen with a refresh rate that makes everything seem incredibly real. That's the experience the Legion Y700 offers. The tablet's 144Hz 8.8-inch IPS LCD panel, with its generous 1600 x 2560 px resolution, ensures every image is crisp, every motion smooth and every detail vivid. Although it might not compete with OLED displays in terms of HDR content, it's more than enough to make your gaming world come alive. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor ensures the tablet can handle even the most demanding games with ease. Whether you opt for the 12GB or 16GB memory variant, you're guaranteed a smooth, lag-free gaming experience. And with storage expandable via a microSD card slot, you'll never have to worry about running out of space for your games and save files. But the Legion Y700 isn't just about raw power, it's also about giving you control over how you game. With the Legion Cold Front passive cooling solution and a dedicated vapor chamber, the tablet promises long gaming sessions without overheating. Plus, it comes with various performance modes, so you can adjust settings to suit your gaming style or the requirements of the game you're playing. A standout feature of the Legion Y700 is its dual USB-C ports. One of these supports the DisplayPort 1.4 standard, allowing you to connect an external display. This means you can game on a larger screen when you're at home, and switch to the tablet's screen when you're on the go. In essence, the Legion Y700 offers a comprehensive, immersive gaming experience that is hard to match. Its blend of top-tier specs, user-friendly features, and thoughtful design touches make it a tablet that truly understands what gamers need. Whether you're a casual player or a hardcore gamer, the Legion Y700 is ready to take your gaming sessions to the next level. In conclusion, the Lenovo Legion Y700 is a formidable entrant in the gaming tablet market. With its international launch, Lenovo has once again demonstrated its commitment to delivering high-quality gaming experiences to a wider audience. The Legion Y700, first introduced in China last year, is now poised to capture the attention of gamers across EMEA and Asia, among other select markets. The Legion Y700, a gaming-oriented tablet, impresses with its robust specs. At the heart of it, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 runs the show, available with either 12 or 16 gigabytes of memory, and a storage capacity of up to 512 gigabytes, expandable via a microSD card slot. The tablet's display is a vibrant 144Hz 8.8-inch IPS LCD panel, supporting Dolby Vision and HDR10 for an immersive gaming experience. Moreover, the tablet's dual USB-C ports, one supporting the DisplayPort 1.4 standard, offer the flexibility of gaming on an external display. The Legion Cold Front passive cooling solution ensures that the device stays cool during intense gaming sessions. If you're in the EMEA region, you can grab this gaming powerhouse starting at Euro 599 this month. Undeniably, the Lenovo Legion Y700 offers top-notch gaming features at a competitive price. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.